Please tell me that you managed to get the tickets for the concert. Oh, you did? That's awesome. Then I so wanted to make it. But wait, what will I wear? I don't have clothes. Let me figure something. I'm actually at Lokhandwala Market. I hope some miracle happens and my problem just gets solved. Like,
Hey.
Hi.
Wait a minute. I don't know why do you look so stress-free, but let me make it easy. When Gaga is here, there's nothing you need to worry about. शादी हो या थिएटर, फैशन शो हो या कॉन्सर्ट, आम से आम आदमी और बड़े से बड़ा एक्टर, सब आते हैं यहाँ अपनी अपनी किरदारों की वेशभूषा बदलने के लिए। तो हम आ गए हैं अंधेरी के लोकनवाला मार्केट फॉर अनदर किक-एस एपिसोड ऑफ गली फैशन। What we are going to do is, since you're looking for some concert looks,
Yeah.
I'm going to create 2 looks for you today. The first one that we can go with is a cool sexy dress.
okay.
Okay, paired with some cool glasses. Alright, some footwear, some accessories to go with. A look too could be a pair of a denim skirt, a
Cute.
cute dress. Maybe you can also do some accessories and a cool pair of glasses too.
You're surely a miracle in my life right now.
Thank you. So, chale?
Chalo?
Alright. Oh, by the way,
Yeah.
what's your style statement like?
I prefer being casual over dressy all the time. It's
Oh.
super lazy. I describe my style super lazy.
We should enter this shop.
Really? I mean,
I
like
hope we'll end up
that
finding.
shimmery pink is just
Too much.
too much.
Well, they say too much is too less.
No, for me, too less is just perfect.
I honestly don't like the collection that they have here.
I mean, the vibe's not there. There's no vibe there. No,
No, me neither. Not feeling
not
it.
interesting.
Shall we visit another shop?
Yeah.
Okay, so here we are looking for some dresses for you.
Okay.
Do you prefer wearing long or short dresses?
Prefer long, and I'm not a really colorful person. Just saying.
Oh, well, in that case, I'm gonna add some colors in your life today.
Really?
And trust me, you're gonna love
Right.
it.
But I love what you just said. I love
Well, I
it.
quite like what I'm holding actually,
Yeah.
but since you mentioned that you love wearing long dresses,
Yeah.
I guess I'm gonna change that for you. So,
Okay.
shall we go for a short dress instead?
Okay, now that I am experimenting with
Yeah.
you, let's just go full on and all out.
Definitely.
That's like a lot of color. Or
Yeah.
too much shimmer.
And I don't mind that on you. Trust me when I say that. I did find something, but okay. Here's
Too
one
many
in green.
colors.
Yeah, please.
Too
I'm
much
telling you, it's
green.
gonna look nice on you. Trust me when I say that. I mean, in case you have to choose one of these, which one would you go for?
The blue and the brown. Yeah, like fluorescent and all those bright colors are just not my thing.
Okay. Well, I definitely like the one in brown.
Yeah.
So we can go for that. ये कितने का? 750 का
मतलब
है।
650 है ना?
बार्गेन तो कर ही लेंगे।
हाँ।
और इसका लास्ट प्राइस आप कितना दोगे? वाह, आपकी बात सुन ली इन्होंने।
यार
सही
मेरे
है।
घर पे मेरे को इतनी नहीं सुनता।
और ये इनकी साइज का
जितनी
है?
भैया ने भी सुन ली।
आप ये 650 लास्ट प्राइस बोल रहे हो इसका।
Guys, this is no collab with a shop in Lokhandwala Market. We are actually paying for the dress, just to let you guys know. ये कोई collaboration नहीं चल रहा है।
I know. Well, हमारी ड्रेस की शॉपिंग तो हो चुकी।
Yes.
ये रहे आपके पैसे। Okay, now let's go ahead and shop for some accessories for you and footwear to go with.
एक तो छुट्टा है
हाँ हाँ, छुट्टा तो लेंगे।
Yeah.
So if you get a chance to steal one of your favorite celebrities' wardrobe,
Yeah.
who would that be and why?
Ananya Pandey's wardrobe from Call Me Babe.
Wow.
I love that.
Wow.
I mean, it was giving full Emily in Paris vibes. I need that wardrobe in my life. It will, I think, cure all my mental health illness right now. All the problems. Her wardrobe is going to fix them.
Alright, लगता है हम हमारे डेस्टिनेशन पहुंच चुके हैं।
Okay.
Let's go and get some accessories for you.
Done.
After you.
Thank you.
मुझे यहाँ के collections पसंद आए, but I think this is not
Yeah,
gonna
let's
be
try
good.
another shop
Yeah,
now.
it's not gonna
Yeah.
fit in our budget. Let's go to another shop. I know there's this another shop
Okay.
just right ahead. We'll have to walk a bit. The name of the shop is Harish.
Okay.
So we'll just go ahead and try and
Harish.
looking for some options at this shop. मुझे पसंद आया है, मुझे तो बहुत कुछ पसंद आया है. You can also look for some options in
I
case
don't
you
know. I don't know
find
what's my
something cool.
obsession with this
Ribbons?
ribbon. Yeah, I don't know. It's like something weird.
I love that. I quite like it.
It's elegant and nice. Yeah.
But I quite like this because since you're going to attend a concert,
Yeah.
I want everyone's eyes on you. Do you like wearing rings?
I love wearing rings actually.
And what kind?
Elegant ones, like the basic ones, simple ones. Very
It's a butterfly.
It's a butterfly. Oh, okay. I have to get a ribbon. I'm sorry.
Okay, sure. Go for
I
it.
have
Go
to,
for it.
but
It's
no, but
all
this
yours.
I like this. See, it's very pretty and it's like adjustable.
Yeah.
Yeah, I kind of like this. This one I'm definitely getting.
But
Let's just
I
do
really
one
want
ribbon.
something which is very visible.
How about a heart?
Don't you have one?
No, I've become heartless now. In this world, the
Oh
world
my
made me
God.
heartless.
भैया के पास बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस हैं.
कुछ तो गिफ्ट कर दो.
आपने उन्होंने सुना और ना सुनने जैसे
Yeah, he
act
just
किया.
like everyone he ignored me.
ठीक है, आप ये इयररिंग,
Yeah.
ये रिंग और ये, तो 2 रिंग्स और इयररिंग. कितना हुआ टोटल?
इसका 350, इसका 150, 200.
Total?
700 altogether.
तो आप और लास्ट प्राइस बोलिए. नहीं नहीं,
कम
नहीं.
आप 50-50 निकाल दो ना.
हाँ.
50 पहले ही निकाल दो.
आपका ना मेरा. 600 is perfect. Okay, he's giving
Whoa,
it.
man,
to us
you're
for
good.
600.
You're good at it.
Chalo, so your dress is done, accessories are done. Now let's go and get some footwear for you. So when did you last do your street shopping?
When the street shopping, I keep doing street shopping. I mean, because I keep traveling to Santa Cruz for my
Okay.
Kathak classes.
All right.
So वहाँ पे I always, go and at least have a look. That okay, आज क्या भैया कुछ नया आया है. And now because I have like this great rapport with some of the shop people. मैं उनको बोलती थी भैया लाल वाला मंगवा के दो. And मुझे इसमें लाल कलर चाहिए, आप
sweet.
वो मंगवा के दो.
So they all are friends with
So
you.
yeah,
now.
they all are friends with me. And probably next time if we do this again, I will take you street shopping.
Wow, I would love that. Do you want to go for some flats? What do you think
Yeah.
about this?
Yeah, it's sweet.
है ना?
It's nice. Comfy.
इनकी साइज का होगा?
38.
Do you want to try it?
So बचपन में I don't know why, but मुझे ना मेरे पापा ने बोला था, shoe bites वगैरह होते हैं. I mean, I don't know why my father said this, but he's like, whenever you buy a pair of footwear, you should always bite it first. So the shoe won't bite you. I was so innocent. I believed it.
That's a great shoe hack. Black नहीं, हमें white में चाहिए. मुझे white में ही चाहिए. Oh, they don't have it in white.
Match नहीं होगा my outfit से.
हाँ, हमारे look के साथ वो जा नहीं रहा. This is what happens when you go out for street shopping.
No, this is what happens when you shop in sale.
That's true.
You
I
don't get
agree.
options.
I agree, 101%.
यहाँ
And
पे
I really think we might end up finding something for
quirky
you.
and fun.
Yeah, for look one. Preferably white में,
This?
off white में हो तो
This maybe?
cute है, works, nice.
Yeah. नहीं, तो white में मेरा size ही नहीं मिल रहा कोई. Yeah, it fits. It's fine.
You wanna go for it?
Yeah, I
Or
think
do you
it's
wanna
cute.
try something else as well?
No, I think it's very cute.
Okay. भैया इसका दूसरा पैर भी है.
These are perfect.
The white one is nice, but वो थोड़ा
भी
off.
match है.
नहीं.
नहीं
वो
नहीं.
कलर नहीं.
अरे यार, मुझे मेरे कलर क्यों नहीं मिल पा रहे हैं?
हम इसके पहले भी एक दुकान में गए थे, वहाँ भी हमें हमारे कलर का कुछ मिला नहीं.
I'm
यहाँ
telling
पर
you,
भी
this
इशू
is-
हो रहा है.
It's not
क्या करें, आप बहुत लास्ट आ गए ना इसके.
लास्ट के दोपहर की गर्मी में आए हैं.
कहाँ गर्मी है?
ठीक है, then I think that was a sign for us.
Yeah, that white.
We'll end up buying the one in white. अब अभी आप थोड़ा छोटा मुंह करके बता दीजिए इसका लास्ट प्राइस.
600 बस आपके लिए.
नहीं
650 बोला मैडम का मान
तो
रखा.
500 भी हो सकता है.
नहीं वो इसका
इतना कम
होता
मान
ही नहीं.
रखा आपने मेरा, सिर्फ
50
50
तो बहुत
रुपए
कम
का.
है, बहुत तो क्या हो गया तो 10 रुपए भी नहीं कम करते मानो ना. सिर्फ 1 रुपया 1 रुपीस कम कर दे.
One
Very
rupee.
stubborn.
Yeah,
Very
very
stubborn.
stubborn.
ठीक है, चलो let's. I mean,
ठीक है,
since we liked it,
Done.
let's not waste much time.
Done.
And ठीक है, हम ले लेते
GPay
हैं.
कार्ड कैश.
क्या?
आप आओ नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं
हाँ.
आपका भी मान रखूंगा.
अगर तुम्हारा मान ज्यादा रखा है इन्होंने मुझे बताना. मैं इधर ही रहती हूँ, मैं आऊंगी.
हाँ, बगैर वीडियो शूट 25 दिसंबर को.
आप ही बन के आना ना सांता क्लॉज.
लाइए हमारे लिए ड्रेस.
क्या वो भी हम ला के दे?
तो फिर आपने-
सांता क्लॉज भी हम ही आपको बनाए. ये क्या बात होती है?
All right,
चलिए,
so thank you so much. तो हमारा look one हो चुका है.
Okay.
Too
You're tired, right? Even I am. And my coffee is over, so now I'm like लोगों को कॉफी पीने के बाद भूख नहीं लगती, मुझे कॉफी पीने के बाद भूख लगती है. So
Well, in that case, I guess let's do some chart.
I know like a
really
chaat and pani puri person.
है ना?
है
But
ना?
do you wanna go for it?
Yeah, we
I'm
like
very
pani
hungry.
puri. Shall we?
So can we go and have some healthy
yeah,
snacks?
yeah.
Okay.
But till then, guys, please subscribe to Hot Fly.
ready to have some healthy snack.
Healthy snack, guys. Pani puri is a healthy snack. Trust me.
That was amazing.
I know, yeah.
Okay, so
Okay.
before we head for our look to hunt, I wish to ask you a quick rapid question. So are you ready?
Okay, sure.
All right. Heels or sneakers?
Heels.
Vintage or modern?
Vintage.
Glitter or leather?
No, actually.
Okay. Monochrome or mix and match?
Monochrome.
And runway or street style?
Oh, that's a tough one. Like as much I would love to go for run, but street style. Okay.
Sounds
No, actually
great.
runway.
All
Yeah,
right,
street
cool.
style will be too jhalla. So yeah, I'll go for runway.
Cool.
It's okay. Just drama is just all over. Or maybe.
Also, we live for the drama.
Yeah, I know, right?
But let's not waste time there.
Yeah.
Now that I feel full and fed,
Okay.
let's do our look to ka hunt. Okay, यहाँ पे कोई sale चालू है.
सेल में हमेशा साइज नहीं मिलता है. I'm telling you.
Like I
But
said
yeah,
earlier, let's hope for the best.
God, what is this leather skirt?
Eee, wow. Wow, I love this. Wow. You've got some great eyes. Wow.
How about this? And like a nice tube inside
for
with
sure.
like a loose shirt.
Yeah. I am definitely buying this skirt.
Okay.
And I guess this is for $400. ये कितने का है? अरे वाह.
350.
दे दोगे आप? उन्होंने 350 बोला तो आप दे दोगे? Okay, ठीक है, हम ये खरीद लेते हैं. Okay, so for our look to, what we can do is, all we are left with is a tube top or a tank top.
Yeah. Yeah, because
and
the
you
footwear
can-
will just go with both.
Yeah.
We did some
Yeah,
smart shopping
yeah.
there.
All right, so chalo,
Chalo.
chalaye. Oh wow, I can see some really cool tank tops
Really?
here.
Let's try
Let's have a look at them. चलो तुम्हारे लिए जरा tank tops या crop tops देखते हैं. I'm probably gonna go for what?
I already feel hot. Like just looking at it, I feel hot.
Okay. I
You spotted
think
something?
I found something,
That's cute.
and I love it.
Really?
Yeah.
So let's bargain with Bhaiya now. There's one in white as well.
इसका
Or you
कितना?
You want to go for white?
I'm not sure about white,
Okay.
but
What
चलिए
do you
इनसे
think will
bargain
look
कर लेते हैं.
better with the color of the skirt?
White and black you've been wearing throughout, and now that we are experimenting, since
Okay.
we are.
नहीं भाई हमको beige.
अच्छा ठीक है. Not a bad idea to pay him 400 rupees. कर सकते हैं.
कैसे तो कपड़ा देखो कुछ कम कपड़ा यूज हुआ है इसमें.
चलो ठीक है, आप दे दीजिए हमें 400 rupees में.
Guys, if you want to learn how to bargain, you can always contact me. I can make that my size business. Let's
The
do-
bargain queen
और
is here.
yeah, but जो bargain का पैसा मैं बचाऊंगी वो मुझको देना पड़ेगा.
Okay.
They'll be like फिर हम आपको बुलाए क्यों?
ये लीजिए आपके
Yeah.
400 rupees. Thank you so much.
Okay, so now we have to
Okay.
buy a sling and maybe like another pair of earrings. Right?
Earrings तो होना है.
Okay.
उसके बिना the look is gonna look very
ठीक है.
incomplete. Okay, no
like
problem. But
this.
then this is it. Okay, all right. Earrings भी ले लिए हमने. भैया ये लीजिए आपके 100 rupees. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Reem, I am so excited to get you styled in these amazing outfits that we have shopped for you today. So look one is ready,
Yeah.
and so is look two. And I'm more than excited to get you concert ready. So shall we?
Let's go. Okay, now I'm kind of tired.
Well, yes,
Yeah.
but that's how you do street shopping.
Yeah, it was fun though.
Okay, so let's have a look at our looks that we are gonna style you in.
Done.
Starting off with look one.
Okay.
That's your dress,
Oh,
which we got it
yeah.
for 650 rupees.
Initially it was, he said
Yeah,
750.
750,
something.
but we got it for 650, so not bad. We are going to pair it with these chappals, which we again
Right.
got it for 600 rupees.
That shop guy was like, shopkeeper was amazing. He was fun.
Yes. And along with these jewelry, so 2 rings and 1 earring. So that was a total of 600 again. Yeah.
Oh yeah, the rings were quite expensive.
So that's our look 1. उसके बाद हमारा look 2. हमारे look 2 में हमने खरीदा ये
Beige.
crop top,
Yeah.
and this was for 400 rupees.
Yeah.
And उसके बाद हमने ये leather skirt खरीदा,
This
which
is
was
a
again
good
for
find,
400 rupees.
Yeah, it was a good
Yeah.
find. Yeah.
You have a great eye too, no doubt of that. हमने ये
We have
earrings खरीदे
earrings with
just for 100 rupees.
Yeah.
That's all we have shopped
We
for
have
today.
good things, yeah. I mean, like smart shopping we've done.
Let's get this happening, and I can't wait to see you
Well-
concert ready.
Okay, let's go.